Prior to studying at VCC and then getting hired at Clark Wilson, I was a receptionist at a real estate development firm where I had a chance to help with project completions, which was what got me interested in the real estate field.
I'd spent most of my life in Hong Kong. I was born there, and then I spent 4 years of my elementary school life here. Before coming back, I'd been an English tutor for 9 years. When I did come back, I felt like I wanted a change. So after doing some research, I landed on the LAAE path.
My experience with taking the legal administrative program at VCC was really enjoyable.
The atmosphere, the culture, the people there, they were all really setting us up for success.
I found it really helpful when I entered Clark Wilson to have that foundational knowledge that it's good to know so you can build more off of it.
I don't think it's possible to cover every single detail in a program or course, but what they've done is allowed me to feel comfortable enough so that I was able to settle in very quickly in my current role and develop from there. I chose VCC mainly as a result of just scouring online forums. VCC seemed reputable, and at the time, the timing also met my needs in terms of the length of the program.
It was also really helpful that they helped with practicum placements.
We received really practical and down-to-earth career and job hunting advice, and that set me up for success in my practicum here. And I think the results speak for itself. I'm happily employed.
Be prepared to study hard. It is intense because you are given a lot of information.
But it's highly rewarding, and it can set you up for a thriving career. Along the way, you'll pick up essential skills. You'll meet close friends who were with you when you started this journey. And overall, you will have a very rewarding experience.